Hi, I'm Captain Awesome and I have a fantastic phone to show you today. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and it is not an ordinary phone. It is a phone that can flip, flex, and fold to suit your needs. It has some awesome features to make it fun and functional to use. In this video, I'll be showing you why this phone is the ultimate foldable phone of 2023, why you should get one, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'll even tell you if this phone is the right one for you. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss future wonderful videos like this one. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is not cheap. Here in Malaysia, it retails for 4,500 Malaysian ringgit. But for that price, you get a lot of features that separate this phone from the rest. You get a big beautiful display here that folds in half, a small screen that lets you do more things without opening up your phone, plenty of storage space for all your photos and videos, fast internet connection, and even wireless charging, smooth performance, software updates, and even a decent battery life. But enough talking about specs. Let me show you how I use this phone in my everyday life. And the first thing that makes this phone so much fun is the flex window. This is a small screen on the outside of the phone that lets you see notifications, take selfies, and even use full apps all without opening your phone. It is like having two screens on one phone. For example, when I'm recording videos for my channel, I can use the flex window to frame my shots and see myself better. And this way, I can always use my rear cameras, which are the best cameras on the phone. And trust me, those cameras were actually pretty decent. And that's how I use the flex window on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's like having two phones in one. But what about the cameras? How do they perform in different situations? Here on the Z Flip 5, there is a wide angle camera to complement the normal camera here. And in normal lighting condition, the kind of photos I got on the Z Flip 5 here were actually really good. And because of the flexibility of the phone, get it? The flexibility? Okay, I'll see myself out now. I could use the phone in many angles and positions to get tons of creative shots. For example, when I'm at the gym, in the middle of a road, in fact, I recorded this clip inside the train, or just about anywhere else. This phone allows me to be able to get shots that I simply cannot get with any other phone. And I would say the only complaint I would have in regards to the camera is that I only wish it was like 20% better than it is here, because it's already 80% there. I just wish it had a little bit more. But how is the performance in everyday use? Is it fast enough for my needs? Let's find out in the next chapter. The performance of the Z Flip 5 here is very impressive, especially because of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that it has on the inside. And whether I am multitasking with two different apps on screen, watching videos on YouTube or even Netflix, or playing my favorite bus simulator game, this phone rarely ever lagged or slowed down. It also has 5G and Wi-Fi 6, which means that I am getting really super fast internet. So I'd say performance here on the Z Flip 5 was fast and reliable. But how long does the battery last? And how fast does it charge? Let's find out in the next chapter. Okay, so the battery life on the Z Flip 5 is pretty decent. It lasts me a day with moderate use. And it charges pretty fast, but not as fast as I would like it to be. Let me explain. When I first got this phone, I definitely was not impressed with the battery life. I had to plug it in multiple times a day to charge the phone. And I'm not going to lie to you, it was very annoying. But the more I used the phone, the more it kind of settled in and I got really better battery life from then on. The only thing that bugs me is the charging speed. It's not bad, but it's also not great either, and I wish it was just a little bit more faster, especially for situations when I'm in a hurry and I need a lot of charge in a short amount of time. So the battery life is decent, but not amazing. But is it worth buying? What are the pros and cons of this phone? Let's find out in the conclusion. This device is unique and innovative in a way that makes phones fun again. Even without opening up the phone, you already have access to tons of apps and tons of services here. And thanks to having the camera available with a screen, you can always just open it and have the best camera available to you always. But it also has some drawbacks you should consider before buying. It is quite pricey. I wish the cameras were a little bit more better, and the charging speed can definitely be a whole lot faster. So is it worth it? Well, it depends on what you are looking for in a phone. If you're looking for a phone that is fun, futuristic, and if you create content, it enables you to create the best content you can create by yourself, then the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is definitely for you. And if you want something that is a bit more affordable and definitely more practical with more cameras and more specs, then maybe this phone is not for you. But personally, I love the phone. It is very futuristic and it has enabled me to create some of the best content I've created on the go. Now over to you. What do you think? Do you like the Galaxy Z Flip 5? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new and it has made your decision a bit more easier. And if you did, please make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I am your captain of awesome and I'm from Nigeria with love. Bye.